Welcome to the Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune.
In today's presentation, we are going to study about sedative and hypnotic drugs. Hypnotic are the drugs which produces the sleep resembles to natural type of a sleep, while sedative are the drugs which are reduces excitement and calms the patient. They are also known as major anxiolytic. Both sedative and hypnotic induces the depression of central nervous system, but they differ quantitatively.
Before moving towards the drugs which are sedative and hypnotic, one should know the sleep cycle. Sleep is divided into two types, non-rapid eye movement sleep and rapid eye movement type of a sleep. First we will see non-rapid eye movement sleep. There are four stages which are of a 90 minutes. In non-rapid eye movement type of a sleep, there is an increase in parasympathetic activity and decrease in a metabolic rate. There is infrequent dreams and dreams could not be recalled after awakening. Here, in this stage, the EEG show two rhythms together. Stage 4 is the deepest and it is less easy to be awakened the person from this stage of the sleep. In this, muscle tone get diminished and there is no eyeball movement. In stage 3 and 4 of non-rapid eye movement sleep, there is a secretion of a growth hormone. Respiratory response to hypoxemia and hypercarbia are diminished. Next is rapid eye movement sleep. This sleep remains for 5 to 30 minutes and cycle repeats like first there is a REM sleep, then the NREM sleep. Again there is a REM sleep since one should wake up from the REM type of a sleep. In this type of a sleep, sympathetic activity predominates and 75% of our dreams occurs in this stage. And cardiovascular system reacts to the dream event. Like if someone saw the dream of running, so heart rate is going to increase in response to that running in a dream. Here, EEG resembles awake and alert person. Voluntary muscles are flaccid and eyeballs move rapidly. In this stage, that is in a rapid eye movement type of a sleep, there is no hormonal secretion and response to hypoxia, hypercarbia are markedly reduced. Moving towards classification of sedative and hypnotic. Sedative and hypnotic are classified as first urea derivatives, in that diurides, example of diurides are barbiturate. Then second related urides, for example glutathione and metoprolol. Second class of a drug is benzodiazepine. Third class of a drug is alcohol, example chloral hydrate. Fourth class is aldehyde, example from this class is paraldehyde. Next class is acetylated carbinol, example of this class is ethinamide. Next class is imidazopyridine, example of this class is zolpidem. Second last class is pyrazolopyrimidines, example of this class is zaleplon. And last class is miscellaneous, including the drugs like meprobamate and methacrylamine. Classification of barbiturate. Barbiturate are classified as depending upon its action as long-acting barbiturate, example phenobarbital, intermediate acting barbiturate, example amylobarbital, butobarbital and pentobarbital, short-acting barbiturate, example is secobarbital and hexobarbital, and ultra-short acting barbiturates. Example are thiopentone and methotrexate. Mechanism of action of barbiturate. Barbiturate acts through GABA A receptor. This GABA A receptor is ligand-gated ion channel. When barbiturate binds to GABA A receptor, there is opening of a chloride channel and extracellular chloride enters within the cell. Moving towards mechanism of action of barbiturate. In central nervous system, they binds to beta subunit of inhibitory GABA A receptor. The binding site is distinct from benzodiazepine binding site. Barbiturates potentiate GABAergic inhibition by increasing the lifetime of chloride channel opening, while benzodiazepine enhance the frequency of chloride channel opening. That's the difference between mechanism of action of barbiturate and benzodiazepine. Barbiturate increases the time of chloride channel opening, while benzodiazepine increases the frequency of opening of chloride channel. Barbiturate enhance the binding of benzodiazepine binding to receptor, and at high concentration barbiturate show GABA mimetic action. Barbiturate depresses glutamate induced neuronal depolarization through AMPA receptors. Pharmacological actions of barbiturate on central nervous system. The depth of the depression of central nervous system includes, first there is a mild sedation followed by hypnosis and then to general anesthesia. As the dose of barbiturate is going to get increased, then it will turn to first sedation, then hypnosis and then to the general anesthesia. For example, phenobarbital 15 mg 3 to 4 times a day. It is a daytime sedative, effective within 15 to 30 minutes after administration. It maintains for 4 to 5 hours. Its action is maintained for 4 to 5 hours, and this drug phenobarbital is faster acting than that of a benzodiazepine. Due to phenobarbital, stage 2 of non-REM sleep increase, and there is a decrease in a stage 3 and 4. It have more hangover in comparison with benzodiazepine. The presence of pain prevents the induction of sleep, and that is the again differentiating point in between barbiturate and benzodiazepine. Barbiturate could not produce sleep in presence of pain, while benzodiazepine can produce the sleep in presence of pain. Due to phenobarbital, there is a decrease in REM sleep, but rebound increase in case of sudden withdrawal. It acts as sedative and anxiolytic, but can cause distorted judgment, impaired vigilance. Next effect of barbiturates is anesthetic effect. Phenobarbital intravenously can be used as general anesthetic. Barbiturate also shows anticonvulsant effect, specifically phenobarbital and methylbarbital used in grand mal type of epilepsy. Barbiturate also have effect on respiration. The increased dose initially result in inhibition of neurogenic drive, then it reduces the sensitivity of a medullary center to carbon dioxide and changes in blood pH. Toxic effect shows respiration is maintained by the hypoxic drive, and further increase in a barbiturate dose can cause respiratory paralysis. On spinal cord, barbiturate depresses polysynaptic as well as monosynaptic reflexes. On cardiovascular system, hypnotic doses of barbiturate can cause fall in blood pressure and fall in heart rate. In toxic doses, it produces sustained hypotension. It causes depression of vasomotor center, hypoxia, and sympathetic ganglia blockade. On GI tract, it does not affect the motility of GI tract significantly. On kidney, it stimulates antidiuretic hormone secretion. There is a decrease in glomerular filtration rate and reduce in urine output. On liver, barbiturate combines with various cytochrome P450 enzymes and competitively interfere with metabolism of drug and endogenous steroids. Pharmacokinetics of barbiturate. Barbiturate rarely get absorbed orally. They are weak acid, so maximum absorption from stomach occurs in unionized form. After absorption, a fraction in a blood reversibly bound to plasma albumin. It readily crosses placental barrier and small amount is secreted with the milk. It metabolizes to inactive compounds by microsomal enzyme in liver. The inactive metabolites conjugate with a glucuronic acid and get excreted. Adverse reactions of barbiturate. It produces intolerance. This is an abnormal reaction such as excitement, headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and lassitude. It also produces some of the allergic reactions such as urticaria, angioneurotic edema, various skin reactions, agranulocytosis, and thrombocytopenic purpura. It leads to development of megaloblastic anemia. It can also produces depression of fetal respiration if administered to the woman during labor. It can produce hepatic porphyria. Uh, barbiturate can induce drug automatism because drug causes confusion and amnesia in a patient, and patient may repeatedly take barbiturate and poison himself. Tolerance may get developed to the action of barbiturate. Repeated administration causes the tolerance, such as increased hepatic inactivation, adaptation of a nervous tissue. Barbiturate often show cross tolerance to general anesthetic. A long-term treatment with a barbiturate can cause drug dependence. Its manifestations are ataxia, impaired superficial and deep reflexes, hypotonia, nystagmus, and difficulty in accommodation. Therapeutic uses of barbiturate. It is used as hypnotic, but nowadays it has been replaced by benzodiazepine. It acts as an anticonvulsant agent. It is used for controlling convulsion in status epilepticus and during spinal anesthesia. It is used as a general anesthetic in psychiatric disease uses and in anxiety status. Is benzodiazepine, which is a seven-membered ring fused to an aromatic ring. Mechanism of action of benzodiazepine. It selectively acts on GABA A receptor. Benzodiazepine enhance the response of GABA receptor complex to GABA by facilitating the opening of chloride channel. It has its own binding site and allosterically increases the affinity of a GABA for receptor. It increases the frequency of opening of a chloride channels without altering the time of which channels are open. Pharmacological actions of benzodiazepine. They causes reduction of anxiety and aggression. If benzodiazepine given to dominant individual It increases the attack made on him and decreases the number of attacks made by him. It causes sedation and induction of sleep. Benzodiazepine decreases the time to get in sleep and increases the time period of sleep for the individuals who sleep less than 6 hours. There is a reduction in a muscle tone and coordination. This activity due to the skeletal muscle relaxant activity of a benzodiazepine. It reduces rigidity in a dosage less than need for behavioral effect. Benzodiazepine produce anticonvulsant effect. It is highly active against chemically induced convulsions caused by baclofen leftazole, but less effective against electrically induced convulsion. It is also helpful in alcohol withdrawal condition. Pharmacokinetics of benzodiazepine. It is well absorbed orally, binds to plasma protein and accumulated in body fat because of high lipid solubility. It is well metabolized and excreted with glucuronide conjugation in urine. Side effects of benzodiazepine. It produces acute toxicity. Acute overdose are considerably less toxic than that of other hypnotics. In overdose, it prolongs the sleep but don't have any significant action on respiration. In presence of CNS depressant like alcohol, it can cause severe life-threatening respiratory depression. The side effects are also during its therapeutic use, such as drowsiness, confusion, amnesia, and impaired coordination, which can affect manual skills like driving. Side effects like tolerance and dependence can be developed with the benzodiazepine. Tolerance is less marked than that of barbiturate. Benzodiazepine causes dependence if stop after a week or month of administration result in an increase in the symptoms of anxiety, tremor, dizziness, nervousness, loss of appetite and sometimes can lead to convulsion. On GIT and renal tract, it causes dry mouth, constipation, nausea, anorexia and urinary retention. In cardiovascular system, it produces bradycardia, hypotension, palpitation, weight gain, cardiovascular collapse, and agranulocytosis. It can also lead to hypersensitivity reactions such as skin rash, urticaria, and bronchial spasm. Next drug is a chlorohydrate. It is a mild sedative and hypnotic action. Causes the CNS depression and there is a little involvement of lower brain centers regulating blood pressure and respiration. This drug has negligible effect on REM type of a sleep and hangover effect is minimal in compared to uh, barbiturate. Pharmacokinetic of chlorohydrate. It is rapidly absorbed from gut, converted to trichloroethanol, which is an active metabolite with half-life of 4 to 12 hours. Trichloroethanol is converted to trichloroacetic acid in liver and kidney and then get excreted. Adverse drug reactions, gastric upset, unpleasant taste, motor incoordination, and allergic skin reactions. Next drug is paraldehyde. It is an polymer of acetaldehyde, causes non-selective reversible CNS depression. Given intramuscularly or intravenously for the convulsive state. Therapeutic dose has little effect on respiration and blood pressure. It do not possess any analgesic activity. Excitation of CNS is elicited by pain. Adverse reactions of paraldehyde. It causes skin rash, swelling, and pain at injection site. Prolonged use of a paraldehyde may lead to addiction, and it is contraindicated in patients with hepatic insufficiency and GI ulceration. Next drug is zolpidem. It is non-benzodiazepine sedative hypnotic type of a drug from a class imidazopyridine. It causes modulation of a GABA receptor chloride channel, that is the micromolecular complex responsible for sedation, anticonvulsive activity, anxiolytic activity, and myorelaxant. It has little effect on stages of sleep. It is effective in shortening sleep latency and prolongation of total sleep time. On stoppage of zolpidem causes beneficial effect which is persists for period of weeks. Last drug, saliflun. It has CNS depressant activity and used in a treatment of insomnia. Mechanism of action. It acts on benzodiazepine receptor. It is indicated in short-term treatment of insomnia. Contraindication. It, it is contraindicated in myasthenia gravis, psychosis, breastfeeding, etc. Side effects are headache, asthenia, drowsiness, amnesia, and paradoxical insomnia. With sedative and hypnotic drugs. Thank you.